possibilities.
Onsa ebekaye ewo ho na se o hwehwe wo Facebook YouTube na o type Coastal TV a eno nso onsa ebekaye ewo ho mami sanso ema wakwa babiem na mi sanso ema wache ema Coastal TV morning mix jumadie no eso and Wednesday. Today is a day that the Lord has made and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Mama ade papa bi ache na yedase atinkwam Tachamadi abodwe moje di emu afisa no nko ade a yemfa aseda kese ma otumfo nyankopon wo adom kese a wode adom ye odo kese a ode adoye ya sheda nase ano no ya sheda nase ano no na we hope say obekoso aboye ho ban obekoso aboye ho ban na omaye na yempembo na bibia nso ebe fine ede amaye ntino Yewojide onimu na wa wo hwame so mejidi se nyame adom ntino ohoye mejidi se ohoye na wapom so ye Coastal TV enso ye hoye pa na ya poposo ye yan fast day di ho nso ma ya boafo aboafo maso ya se ye de ene morning mix dwumade no ye de ebro ye wo National Petroleum Authority NPA ewo ho na ye sanso ye wo Amimens Hardware and Finishes Amimens Hardware and Finishes ye sanso ye wo Amimens Hardware and Finishes so show mo be hu omo opposite Orange House and also say opposite Cape FM. I want to be Amimens Hardware and Finishes. O you Nesto Ventures and so on. Nesto Ventures and so ewo abra opposite Methodist Church no. Pepe I want to be Nesto Ventures. Omo abra money Methodist Church no na edi inhwenimu. Yes, also fast there o so Emma Patmo Prince. Pedu Catholic Church ne Pedu Fire Service headquarters no edi inhwenimu no. Catholic Church nechi ho no Catholic Church nechi ho no ho na ubehu Patmo Print na wakakoye print na upe bia so ewo ho kai na ho se detailed sketching services enso ewo abra Kofi Apple cluster of stores a omobo ye chidom ewo ho detailed sketching services si aduane papa de bo mode ana fa wani achemu ewo ho nya de a ubenu ho de biara da sa so na Diesel gift shop and so ewo interverting junction traffic light na se o omonso ebo ye chidom fefefe efri ho eninti no aboafo na no pay ye de aseda edikan no ye de ebema wo mo in fact aseda etosumi no ye de ebema wo mo midin ade AFIBA ESSIEN midin a odin a de frame ya meje so aye AFIBA ESSIEN bo modin ase fiti sesemre akopem se nondu ebebo aye be sorry morning miss jumadi no so no wunyi we fidie no emfri ha nempo se yesori fi morning miss jumadie no so mpo na eda ho awo other programs awofoforo biem so ho a ye de besomo nti bo modian se woni ye ebetena na wunyi we fidie no wonfa emfri ha anope yemfa motivational message no yemfa emro yenni kan fa no ensomo ye wi ana fe ni aka ni na nso ye de ato aso ye hyeda na sesa na eyese obenya bibi e be hye wo kran bi kwa akoda ya oso da eboni bi na chese oso da na ya hyega na ni na ya da eboni enti no e wose enya motivational messages a ebe boost ye energy ebe ma ye libido na akosoro ase Aye, send a baby with me a day a dan at us. All right, in time pay. As some my woman no tia and simple. I say, I hope you realize that every day is a fresh start for you. That every sunrise is a new chapter in your life waiting to be written. I hope you realize that every day is a fresh start for you. That every sunrise is a new chapter in your life waiting to be written. By Johnson Disson. Na brofia making kai nyina no se uchima eye obi a ye friend say Johnson na o share nkran anopai say ono na komemu a onyaaya anka de bia no everyday bia no obehu ni say eye fresh start e de maw obehu ni say eye ahyase foforo kra e de maw na emre bia nso a ewia no ebepie no de bia na ewia no ebepie no obehu ni say asa ne wakoto book ne chapter 1 2 3 4 nti chapter bia no chapter foforo hwi eni ho ye ntwe ohwe e wasa chapter ne so nti akasa wo obetro bibi e wasa chapter no emu. I hope you realize that every day is a fresh start for you, that every sunrise is a new chapter in your life waiting to be written. Inti fashion with him say unya kodana de papa bi eche na osori a ma enhwe with him say sada no akwaye say slate foforo ahwe eni so akwaye say book foforo ahwe enim akasa wo obefa pen na watro bibi e was a chapter no watro bibi e was a slate no so watro bibi e was a book ni mu na say me ne wa anka me make sure say ne metro no positive things na metro no bibi a good ade papa na metro e was a positive e was a new slate na nyankopon e de amame no nananu mo nsem bi o mo kan say senyankopon o ma wajuani ndia o ma ade papa bi enchon but yin nim say ade chon so na say wan nya adwuma unidi san so nankasa so de san ka say nsa nya adwuma no endidi it means as ade chi a e wo say wo ye adwuma ansa na watimi edidi nyankopon to ma na biem say ade chi na say wan nya bibi papa bi amfa ma wo ho a obi entimi nya bibi papa bi a emfa ma wo ade chi na wan mo ho so now you mo obia ni ho a obeye bibi di ama obia ni ho obeye bibi di ama wabra bo hye wonsa decisions a we make ejina ya obesi anama a obetu kasampo a obeka baby a obekọ nipa a obehihia wo mo no ni nyina aye bibi a wo se we put in the conscious effort say obema na ko according to how you want your life to be. Yina see sorry anopa me sure say at least no bia bon pa say erade bra mi pia bontin ma papa na inhia me kwan at least ya bon pa along that line but ne ma papa na be hia kwan no say won so ntu anamo a ne ma papa no emba ofie mba me hia e so ntu anamo na onko hia ne ma papa sanity. But a law be a one life way mu. And I'm into buada. I pay for kind no moon chantro. Into no pasho. Sanya me ya do ma de papa bi achwa. Why na for mu de so ama ade papa bi achwa. Obetimi asan so aye bebre e de ama wo se utu anamo a se won tu anamo de and you forget it. Into make sure so obe realize say every day is a fresh start. Ne twam nko ne mo adi no mo ndi nko ne aka ne mbo ho ban enra is in the past enra Ghana football match enne mo mbo match and match na mo mbo no ntimi nka so mo nsan so mbo ne bi me ne atwam ko enra osika yiraye atwam enra se bi okose odofo bi efiri mu atwam ne obeye no enne no it depends on you. Ena ya sanke wo fi adwuma mu etwam ena a new day new beginning fresh start fasha wadru mu sa ohu ni sa life be easy fasha wadru mu sa se wi anu nya pie pe na e kasa de a chikokroko also ohu say you are about to start all over again oba be sha se from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 enu ade no ahyiagu timeniwa kama sha say take the necessary steps me sha say take the right steps ebe boa me ama where I want to be echina no me sha say take that steps no enne intention and so that I hope that you realize that every day is a fresh start for you and that every sunrise is a new chapter in your life waiting to be written by you. Waiting to be written by you. Nobody can write your story. Obi antimi ntro baka se memfa ma obi antimi ntro ho nsa memfa ma obi antimi ntro abra bomu nsa memfa ma obi antimi nkyerɛ wo ne wonye ejina wo so obra no wa abo ejina wo so nti bomodin minim say bia ye din anope kwa woni ti ye no mpo na wo mfili mpo so obesori afi mpa no so but enkosi da be na obeda mpa no so wetimi ada 24 hours ana there be akwam bede wo obe wa adwen say obesori anya hwe so anche bede wo obe wa adwen say obesori o sorry a what's next akwam do na o sorry a aduane wo ha obedidie so when you say aduane ni ho dia and now get up. Do something for yourself. Get up and do something for yourself. I hope you realize that you have to do something for yourself. Anope asem ni edija o. Asem tie by Johnson the song and the zone. And yede Coastal TV yede ejao. I hope say I should be crying. I hope say ebeboa obi. I hope say ebema we dey no aye kama yenti enyum kakra yemfa nyum kakra ento ase na yen set the mood for anope na fei ye koba na fei ne we bebre na we chi akase ye de ba be som nti bomode ansa woni ye bet na Coastal TV channel 514 your Facebook your YouTube ye basesia.
Biara Wadi kesia wayamami wadumrusua wudiadumi uyemami eja mami, oh, we mami, eja we
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsu aso bone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Mami sanso ema wakwa baby member Coastal TV channel no 514 your Facebook and yes sanso your YouTube morning mix jumedie na oguso a wo hwe na baby edri esase yede kasebo no yede ebesumwo anopai ensema obete no ebi ene se Ghana National Chamber of Commerce ene CCTU Mr. Cape Coast Technical University assign a memorandum of understanding. Yebesanso Aqua Center for National Culture na sese amenoka say oma launch omo marketable skills training na enchebia no omo de ba be hyehyso sanso na ebekọ adwaman so na yede ho ensem ede abro meche fuel prices no anopei yede ebeba besom nti bo mode ase unyi wa fidie no emfri Coastal TV channel 514 Facebook and YouTube. Yaka ni sana na mestre se obeji akonya na fe wati kasebo no emu enchemu yenhyase ewo Cape Coast Technical University CCTU tese ameno kasa mpanyinfo abomoden edi nema guakwema omone Ghana National Chamber of Commerce assigning memorandum of understanding na ebeboa ama yati bibi afen se Junior Chamber of Commerce ewo CCTU nti eno ebeye asoye anaso se bibi project bi a ebeboa ama students adisuafo ewo ho a omusua ade omo business ideas entrepreneurs a omuhia support omuhia advice omuhia counseling a ebeboa ama omu business idea no omotimi aye na ababeye kese anaso se atimi aye business ankasa ewo Ghana ha sei chamber yi anaso junior chamber yi ene be provide sa support omuhia ni nyina ede ama adisuafo no we ebeboa ama daahye so omu wie school a enkoba ne se unemployment ena eno omo betena na emom omakasa nso betimi aye bibi anwo mo ho idea bi a omo wo no omo betimi ede aye adwuma na omotimi mpo afa afoforo ewe adwuma mu.
The Cape Coast Technical University brings technical capacity, workshops, and innovation. The GNCCI brings market discipline, standards, and customer accountability. The Junior Chamber is where the two meet under one rule book: corporate governance and ethics. Those who build houses without foundation waste their labor. Governance and ethics are without foundation. Without them, talent becomes activity, not industry. The Cape Coast 8-year development plan, from ideas to industrial value chains. Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly's 8-year development plan 2026 to 2023 is our metropolitan corporate strategy. My role is to translate the 8-year development plan into industrial practice and align Cape Coast with the 24-hour economy market policy. That policy is not just open longer. It is planned shift work, reliable power, security, logistics, and night commerce that create new jobs without new burdens. The 8-year development plan has 5 pillars: social development, human capital, economic transformation, infrastructure, governance, and accountability. This junior chamber sits directly under economic transformation and human capital. Our plan does not chase random SMEs. It targets strategic industrial clusters where Cape Coast has comparative advantage. Agro-processing and fisheries value addition. Anafo to Elmina corridor. Creative arts, tourism and hospitality, leveraging our UNESCO heritage chains. That means board minutes, financial statement, SOPs, QHSE checks, not just WhatsApp flyers. Corporate governance and ethics as competitive advantage. In strategic industrial management, governance is not bureaucracy. It is risk control, and investor confidence. Through Ghana National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, you will learn the 5 governance habits that separate firms that die at year 2 from firms that scale. One is board and structure. Even a 3-person startup needs defined roles: CEO, finance, OPs. Separation of duties prevent fraud and burnout. 2, ethics and compliance. No fake receipts, no underdeclared tax, no unsafe products. JNCCI's Code of Conduct and Ghana Investment Promotion Center GIPC, Ghana Revenue Authority GRA rules are your license to operate. One ethical breach destroys brand faster than 10 bad products. 3, records and transparency. Accounting, inventory, contract, meeting minutes. Banks, investors, and even CCMA procurement ask, show me your books before show me your product.
Jubadia no aseno eye openyipa oda Ghana Chamber of Commerce and Industry ano Ora Stephen Miezan esanso echechemu bota pote pa na esi omani so enunti omoyo madwen se ombeti bibia friend se Junior Chamber of Commerce ewo CCT.
I established the Chamber of Commerce Cape Coast Technical University. I the time or date you but China the story the students are all about they are not meeting industry. Students are all about out, they are not meeting industry. Until now, they are not there. They make sure they have the school chamber member institutions. They do a technical university. Legon, like your human, like your KNS. You avail the membership of the chamber, which is more than 10,000 to the students. Ideas. What do I establish business? Into no chamber, you have to train the idea. The members, you be attached to the members, one more direction, one short so they can polish idea and get the train. If you show no idea, if you go after being excellent. Now, through the attachment or the relationship with the chamber, when you move out, okay, you got to invest into your idea and make it big. And you know, in the industry, enterprise, academia, so that answer over to school, I answer or give me the man. There, I had a work abandonment because the money didn't work. To the whole idea there, we be the ama work the warrior, and I'm also for establish in India. 1 year plan, so I established this man. Then answer I employ one other person and I 2 other people. At least we reduce unemployment. The numbers are about out of the university all every year. When they it's basically the institution of the Chamber of Commerce, which is the junior chamber, or tertiary institutions the enterprise, the entrepreneurship. That's what we say, the entrepreneurship. So that go back to school. Now one answer why establishing just like the mother body, which is Ghana National Chamber of Commerce, we be our business, be our to the joint. The same thing. We be our school, our any department, engineering, legal, fashion, media, catering, tourism, we are entitled to join. We are entitled to join. And this one is not partisan. It's not like the Tescon and which are the other one now for political party. This is enterprise. Everyone why they want to join the junior chamber to be part of creating business. One of the
Professor Kweku Edichum Ayim Boache ene Vice Chancellor Emma CCTU na ne kasa mu ewo dwumade no ase no na oche mu se omaya emabunu eni edwumaye no ya na ede ohaw bebre mpo ede basabasaye ede ba sese ne esi wo nkofo aman so mfie bebre ni no ache se aban mpo no emabunu no ebetimi atunegu esanse omunni edwuma eye na se bibi sei etimi si wo manfo kroso de a ene na Ghana no enisi yedwen se weche ananso se esi ya che ntimi bisa ntimi nsi esanse nhwehwemu ama na abede di se Ghana no mabunu bebre na amudodo be se 2 million eche eni edwumaye a se ehwe mfimfim mantama se ya numbers no ena wo show pa sin Ghana fe na nyina bebia enti no na eye se bibi e friend se chamber of commerce junior chamber of commerce eye ombetimi ahase e wo CCTU na timi aboa eba ne se mabunu ebeye edwuma na betimi aboa pa ma entrepreneurship eno so betimi akoso me mabunu so etimi aye edwuma ama wo mu abra mo ntwen se aban no ebeba be fa wo edwuma mu.
It seems easy to fall into the temptation of thinking that this event is about the youth herein gathered. No, it is more than that. It is about the stability of our nation and the protection of generations yet unborn. 15 years ago, a significant event happened in Tunisia, which ended up removing 3 heads of state and destabilized 4 other Sahelian and Middle Eastern countries. What appeared to be a suicide by a frustrated youth named Mohamed Bouazizi unleashed pent-up anger, leading to mass protests in what has now been popularly referred to as the Arab Spring. Bouazizi, fresh out of university and unemployed, had decided to venture into selling vegetables and had had his goods destroyed because he had no permit. Does that sound familiar? The resultant exchange with city authorities resulted in him being spat upon by a city guard, a female city guard. That act of humiliation was the last straw that broke the camel's back and forced him to set himself ablaze. Within hours, there were mass protests in Tunisia, and in no time, President Ben Ali, who had been in power for 23 years, fled with his family to France. As if on cue, within 3 months, the protest had spread to Egypt and Libya, and by the end of that year, both President Hosni Mubarak and Muammar al-Gaddafi, who had been in power for decades, had been forced out of power. The Arab Spring, sparked by Mohamed Bouazizi, one person, also created instability in Syria and Yemen, and both countries, as we speak, are on the verge of collapse as countries. One might think this is 15 years ago, and it happened, as they say, thousands of miles away from Ghana. But wait a minute. Recent data released by the Ghana Statistical Service paints a very chilling story. More than 1.3 million youth, and I've been corrected this morning, 2 million young Ghanaians are out of work, school or training in the last quarter of 2025. Of that cohort, the central region, according to the data, has the highest proportion of NEET youth. NEET means N-E-E-T. Neither they are not in education, employment or training. NEET, not in education, employment or training. And the central region had the highest cohort, 23%. This is why in my recent visits to stakeholders, particularly principals of technical institutes, I tell them that we, as in the older generation, are fast becoming an endangered species. A university graduate who cannot find a job, after many pleadings, will turn on us in a violent way to demand from society his living. Ladies and gentlemen, I hate to admit it, but we are all at risk. This is why I see today's event as more than a ceremony. The vision to curate this junior chamber is strategic, crucial, and even prophetic. And I truly salute the efforts of the Chamber of Commerce to think strategically, as it were, to catch them young. I think we can clap for them. Here at CCTU, we have started our own in our own small way through structures and events. Firstly, we have redesigned our mandatory entrepreneurship course and purpose fit it to meet 21st century skills and requirements. We have also established the Engineering Design and Innovation Center at the School of Engineering and the Business Incubator by the School of Business and Management Studies. And these two are soon going to be merged at the CCTU Innovation Hub. We have also curated events such as the Career Fair, Innovation Fair, Fashion Fairs, and Career Development Fairs, to mention a few. Between July and August this year, we are launching two very important programs. The first is the Summer Skills Camp, where we are going to train everybody who wants to, not just youth, in various skills: photography, dressmaking, baking, etc. And as well as the Young Engineers Program. Both of these are designed to provide skills to the teeming youth who are looking to us for their daily bread. We are very, therefore, pleased to partner the National Chamber and the local Chamber of Commerce to achieve this audacious dream. I urge all parties to this MOU that we are going to sign. Let us transition it from a document to a movement. 50 years from now today, may the history of Ghana's economic transformation be traced to this historic occasion. And for those of us in CCTU, we urge ourselves with three very important slogans, which my colleagues will help me repeat. CCTU, good things happen here. CCTU, we are moving from good to great. And finally, CCTU, we are moving from good to great in a culture of institutionalized intentional excellence. Thank you very much.
Yanto akasebo no eso ewo ntem fufuru mu na meka wo se Coastal TV Morning Mix kasebo na obuso a wohwe na yewo Facebook and yes and so your YouTube your channel no digital 514 but madian say unya link no so a obeche ama obia so ensa akambi ye to so na ye kwakopie mu Center for National Culture CNC enra nyame yadom ama dwumadie bi a mpanyfo aka wansema che no omutimi launche center ho na marketable skills training bi a mpanyfo eba beye afi so na ne yete ne se omhya asese omudi se adwuma we no mfie duni 10 years ni nteje se omudi omu 10 years anniversary so de aka ho eni nti no omabie omapono se wo bia wani pe na odose usua nsanedwuma bia no bomodian se beba befa forms na wa register na watimi esua sa skills and also nsanedwuma yi ebi owura kofi inti regional director ema CNC eba mfimfi mantema se ya ono na oda CNC ano enra Coastal TV yetwebe no na eni no edi nkomo na ochechem ne nti a omudi dwuma etise ne ekwanya befa so ebeboa mmabu no ama adwuma sam so akoso mfimfi mantem
the Ebenezer Kofinti, Regional Director, Center for National Culture, CNC, Central Region. Na meda Coastal TV ase. Se mama misa kwenye isanze bra ebeto nsafre mu bia no munni ehwamo mobwa na mbabo edwumede ho dawuro. CNC said the last share mo no ese nne ibubu na ene na launch no ye de ahye so aye skill training program aye na AFIBA no na ebeda mo sese na maba na mode mo no nyama beta edumede nachi na mo so kakra penfo ade omano disem etu dwa no mo nso mo bɛboa ama anuanom a ɛno nti yɛde saa adwumadie yɛasi hɔ no ɔmo nso bɛte bie na yɛbɛnya nkurɔfoɔ atrain wɔn na yɛmpower wɔn so that at least obi wɔ hɔ no wɔ skill bi a ɔno nso bɛtumi de adi dwuma ama aboa no na wanasetena mu ne adwuma asɛm ne sikasɛm mu nti yɛbɛda mo ase na sɛdeɛ ne yɛda na adi kyerɛ yi no a ɔsabɛrɛ mu ankasa atutu ne nan yɛbɛtena adwa mu no program a yɛayɛ for mfie 10 years mfie du mu ni na afei deɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ma no yɛ kɛseɛ paa ɛno nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ yɛbɛto nsa afrɛ obi biara a ɔte yɛn nka baabi biara wɔ biara no ɔmfa ne ho nhyɛ dwumadie mu bosome pɛ yɛwɔ skillful trainees anaa trainers a ɔmbɛboa trainees na aboa ama within 1 month nneɛma bebree na ɔmbɛsua nti yɛto nsa afrɛ mu yɛapa ho ntoma nnɛ firi ne yɛ kɔpem 27th of July yɛbɛstart no obiara ɔwɔ interest biara no yɛto nsa afrɛ obiara ɔmo mmra na CNC dwumadie a yɛde atu yɛn ho asi wɔ sɛ yɛboa atete anuanom youth awofoɔ schoolfoɔ no biribiara no ne nyinaa no yɛbie kwan mu a forms ɛwɔ hɔ wobaa na wabɛfa wokɔ Coastal TV a wopɛ ho dwumadie biara no so a woba ha a Coastal TV foɔ bɛma wo information a wohia biara ɛne woba CNC yɛ opposite UCC main gate woduru hɔ a biribiara wopɛ sɛ wohu about the training program biara no akwanya wɔ hɔ a anuanom bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ne akyerɛw sɛ mmerɛ a yɛde asi hɔ sɛ mfie du no a yɛtete nkurɔfoɔ na yɛtraining nkurɔfoɔ ma ɔmo nya nsaanodwuma no de abɔ bra ɔmo de anya sika wɔ mu no akwanya no wɔ hɔ ma obi biara nti mo yɛ nyinaa yɛmfa yɛn ho nhyɛ na yɛwie biribiara nso a graduation ne biribiara no yɛbɛto nsa afrɛ obi biara no nso de ɔmo anim abɛtaa akyire na obi a ɔde ne ho ba abɛhyɛ mu biara no ɔnnu ne ho sɛ ɔnya aside train esiane sɛ ɛnna yɛn nyinaa ehu adansedeɛ nkurɔfoɔ bɛdi yɛ ɛboa ma obi biara ɔmo yɛ adwuma mpo ɛɛpere ayɛ a na yɛyɛ ayɛ ne nsa no adwuma ɛsɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛka yɛn ho na yɛba na yɛbɛboa na dwumadie no ɛyɛ nkɔsoɔ ɛno nti bɛda ɔman mu nyinaa ase mo a mo tim ba nyinaa yɛbɛda mo ase na especially Coastal TV deɛ yɛne mo a na yɛdi dwuma yi nti yɛntumi nkɔnya mu nti yɛsrɛ Nyame nhyira ɛne adom ma mo sɛ monkɔ so a mommɔ ho dawuro ma yɛn na ɛyɛ yie a yɛn nyinaa nso yɛbɛdi so mfa soɔ
CNC adwumayini ɛyɛ Mami Rose Abena Kobina ɛne Mami Betty a ɔno nso ɛyɛ facilitator nanso ɔbɛkyerɛ deɛ ɛwɔ saa marketable skills training no ase no ɔmo mmienu ɛne Coastal TV ɛbɔ nkɔmɔ.
CNC Rose Abena Kobina me yɛ adwuma wɔ Center for National Culture na dwumadi kura afi biara yɛyɛ ɔne yɛ ne sikao ɔparebia marketable skill training ɔyɛ dwumadi a CNC za abɔbɔ ase dɛ yɛdze bɛdom oguaman wɔ nsanundwuma sua mu afi biara yɛsua courses bi te dɛ hair braiding, beading, decoration and floral arts, facial makeup. In fact yɛne courses no de bebree na afi nyame adom yɛdzi 10 years nti yɛrezi na yɛzini yie nti yɛtoto sɛ obi biara dɛ wɔmfa wɔn ho mbɛbɔ CNC na wɔnsua dɛm nsanundwuma osan dɛ nsanundwuma ɔdze mpuntu de brɛ nyimpa nsanundwuma ɔdze mpuntu ɔdze brɛ ɔman na afi yɛne course ɔyɛ sɛpɛdɛ yɛ kora ɔyɛ 150 Ghana cedis ɛpɛdɛ yɛ bien a kɔdɔ yɛ 300 cedis nanso yɛatew do koraa yɛdze agye 250 Ghana cedis mpɛn pii sɛ kosua dreadlocks wɔ aboano a ebi mo gye 3000 ebi mo gye 4000 bɛnyɛ CNC de yɛsi oho yɛatetew do koraa nti yɛne dreadlocks ɔyɛ 500 Ghana cedis na dwumadi yɛhyɛ ase on the 27th of July na yɛdze kɔwie 21st of August 2026 osan dɛ yɛhwɛ August na September fitu afahyɛ wɔ hɔ Central Expo ɔno so wɔ hɔ nti yɛayɛ date no so that sɛ besua a nyamber na etum a leverage on the big activities a ɔbɛba do wɔ Central region enuanom yɛtoto nsa frɛ obi biara dɛ wɔn bra na wɔmfa wɔn ho mbɛdɔm CNC na wɔnsua nsanundwuma na ɔbɛyɛ mfaso ama wɔn bebree.
Ɛfɛ me Betty nti mekyerɛ bead making sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛkyerɛ adeɛ a yɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden because ɛyɛ ana normally yɛsɛ nka obiara mbra bɛtɛ ɛyɛ nipa yɛnyɛ ɔmo no yɛ ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ fie bebree na ɔmo nhyɛ daa ne adwumayɛ ɔmo nkɔ sukuu nti sɛ ɔmo ba a yɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden sɛ yɛbɛkyerɛ ɔmo ama ɔmo ahu nti no yɛmfa ho sɛ wonim wokɔ sukuu wankɔ sukuu yɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden sɛ Say ye true for no ye, obi a who ade ne ntɛntɛm paa ye category so that ye do be fam kakaka ma so aka che apoma de ye twenya we hu. Me che bead making no, me din ha che basics. Nti se me che basic na to say obi a ye quick or fast learner no be kɔ n'anim no. Meba mo hu modern say wa wontumi nye no, wo be catch up. Nti that is all. But then ye fro bibia say obi ambra na yɛnsua sɛ nneɛma a yɛde kyerɛ adeɛ no de yɛne a na yɛbɛ provide ɛyɛ nsa ano dwuma nti woba ha na me provide material no na mede kyerɛ wo adeɛ no a mɛpɛ sɛ wokɔ fie a wobɛnya wo deɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛ practice mmɔ wɔ fie sɛ mekyerɛ wo na mea mɛ provide nneɛma no nyinaa ma wo no mekyerɛ wo na wokɔ fie na woampractice a owie bɛfi nti wonya wo material sɛ yɛwɔ wo deɛ wɔ fie bɛ nneɛma a mede bɛkyerɛ wo adeɛ no deɛ yɛne a na yɛbɛ provide center ne bɛbɔ ne ho mmɔden na provide biribiara nti woba ha a womfa wo nyama mba woba na wabɛsua with deɛ yɛne a center na provide no wokɔ fie a deɛ waa so bɛtɔ no ɛyɛ waa wo deɛ wɔ fie na wapractice final exam no yɛne ayɛ provide bi na wayɛ ɛna yɛbɛpɛ sɛ waa wobɛnya wo handwork no a wo final work nso wɔ fie nti yɛma waa nso wotɔ wo deɛ de ba na waa nso nti exams time no ɛyɛ whole week we make sure sɛ wayɛ nyama 4 adeɛ na wobɛsua no provide nyama 4 nti 2 waa wode bɛkɔ fie so that you both of it say this is the mekɔɛ no mekɔsua na to so yɛne nso ama material na wode ayɛ ama center no
mpanyinfo mmienu kasa no timu sɛ ɔmo ka bibi a friend sɛ dreadlocks ne nkɔfo a friend sɛ rasta no na owura Joseph Amoa ono ena ye facilitator chese ono na che dreadlocks de we obesi aye dreadlocks we obesi aye rasta ma na ye fe na enye rasta se rasta bibia bia ta keke na eno a oni Coastal TV kasa no na ochechemu niema nkofo behia so mpese omunye sa dreadlocks ni bia na opese unsua niema obehia ansa na watimi asua sa dreadlocks ni bi
eneze Joseph Amoa akimusum ye adwuma wo science hade dreadlocks na mean na dreadlocks dreadlocks no tools na no zama bia be use pins no wigs na dummy na the men zama na wala na able provide obi bia ba wana ezo bibia ezebaba la be dummy with set of pins with scissors wig na dummy the means the money in a walang able provide the BBA Zaba. As a Bassayan, your Biba or Yama is able to that shower, as able to. Well, it's any year, obey Yama Wallace. Esha, a locks in his car into me locks with someone by a bassa was a delta shampoo, a delta oil, a day echo, a style with the locks here expensive. I don't want to lazing nazi. The Amazon to my locks expensive. On the price in it, and no cost no locks so you penny is locks now. You put my juma because we still wire watch 500 cities. Your locks wire watch 1,000 cities. Your locks watch 1,005. Even your locks watch 500 cities. Nti se sueni na no wala kese hu a bunya wala kese bu ndo wuska na ebutu ye no onye komo butuma atu ama nya mbonwu pinja na a obi ebusua bi ala na obi ala e bi guti bi ala e de hu do oyaze jan oye expensive e ka won anti na oye ama na bon okoso da
se opanyin dwari a na nsia sansa na mpanyinfo ekaye na ne sent na osabere ma Dr. Kwesi Ata otoso mienu ono na dwumadie yase no okotena edwamu se chairman ma dwumadie no na ode nsem bi atudwa to nsentrefo ne omanfo nyina anim efa ne se ne be ya omanfo na se emabunu no ye de skills training na se nsano dwuma no ye be so muni aso ne ye emu ye pa example first no na nka ye ni white collar jobs ne ade ense no de ase eno na nkofo bebre omadwen ewo so na mum skills training no eno so ya de bia eboa nte o se emabunu no efa ne serious
asome ati no yepa na yɛndwe ho nkɔ akyi. Ɔbandɛm ɛna wɔabandɛm yi. Aborɔfo no wɔbaa ha no, ɔn dɛ adze a sɛ wɔdze kyerɛ hɛn anaa wɔretete hɛn no, wɔbɛnya afi mu ara na wɔdze kyerɛ hɛn. In those days, ebi sɛ abɔfra bi a ɔrekɔ sukuu dɛ yiyɛ panyin a bɛyɛ dɛ mɛyɛ lawyer, mɛyɛ doctor, mɛyɛ dam. Wɔamfa nsaano adwuma ntetee no, wɔamma yɛn ante ase yie. All because wɔpɛ dɛ wɔn no wɔdze wɔn nneɛma ba ma yɛtɔ. Meanwhile, who abɛfa hɛn raw materials wɔdze kɔ. Na ɛdi wɔn fa nkyɛn. No, we have question. Even in the Bible, Yakuban also bear a waza Adumaches Wazuma. Yet, you know to my lawyer. The efforts of law, law. No, can you know two on different area? If you are, then you only be. I thought you are not coming. Inside the Sabi, woman, until put there. Take it as a man, also go to my what took one Mamma from out US. Nor engagement, marriage. Why a media and you pa? All about this, yes, baby, I ever drown. Pano with the charger or charging with them, but talking about women. Groundsman always says here, but no. That's why I catch you because how to manage a grounds area. Sabio, back in the wagon ground again. Just because we have been taught and focused, well, we all an argument quick that there without they by lawyer or tie, by them and count. But let's disabuse our minds. That's the I was in actress. And so you guys are there. When you there with you are water. When you there from one dish. And these are the things that why my ye out to live. Now, getting I do not ship you here or benefit to one. This is the time over there. Now do not be fear. Back up for what fire for near one man ye argument. But young were here on your fuel. On your fuel. Now him that here patronized because of your opportunity. As some of one, not repay there or there opportunity repair. As I am one, you pour here, some of one friend of the repair. Into yet my hand there, who's the career there? Opedia, Madam, Opedia, the nurse. The way you have the my junior, or to see him or from him. And I want to say, one, but the you may all do. My mountain were here, there were traditional council. When you know that I know Bakasa, then you see I shall go. They go to me that support Morocco. What's on what happened with there? I feel happy with where that's it. Traditional council, yes, it's my one day, it's my own. I'm not doing anyway. It's a pledge a traditional council has support. The other way here, there, Yabokwa, you may work with, and for that matter, not necessarily this anything now. Yes, the Bobwa, skill training work with you. I mean, It's a customer, I can say. Young with the Yarko. Now, more men taking up with you. See, Sierra, the link is now open to all of us. Indirectly, you're not directly involved, indirectly, yes, provide support. Now, if a bank comes that attitude, if where your attitude in there, at times and just because on your government have attitude, and the way we talk now, or discourage those who want to bring positive things into them. Young can say, "One year, you to be here, no be here, how you feel? Don't talk because you discourage people who want to help, who want to bring things important and good things. You discourage them. Because the silence is golden. I ain't kasa, man kasa. You think that should be already. That's it. But we never can say that. It's a kasa kakra mazo tree right here. Me ye bohu me abati. Here so here the naka. No question of the no.
One ensem foforo mu no mahye bedwani ema Cape Coast South eye honorable Kweku Rekis Hagan abomode etieti ane chacha mu abaye ensahwe ama omanfo a enano nsu a etoye ema omohwe omojapade ne fa omufie ne mpo nkofo a omadehye efiri mu ne omo so a omadehye eprepraye obeye omo ensahwe achase na ohye omoden se nyame na odema ono anso na oje na oche mu se emraso se yen asoman ene aban nyina ye beye adwuma bom se ne be ya sa ohaw ya afibia nsuo to a efa nkofo no ye betimi etu ase kra na osanso eche mu se ekwan bia so a obetimi afa na waboa nkofo yi se member of parliament ne de ono so ebebomodin na waboa wo mu se ye sika fam se ye emwa bia na omuhia no obetimi ede obehwe se ode sa emwa no ebema wo mu yentie ne honorable ekai
na asema mbotu na wosam edana webubu ma opedo untuma isuso igbotwa na waji nsem nimpa wewu especially the young ones na say bio wonbre wondi baby na owu abafo wana because of this issue since actually you should to where no be ari emshisha because you don't know who will be next but tell me I'm come say yes structures or keep being in one boot there is in that in those days is there. It's over the years, at least for the last 20 years, maintenance yes on come with more than and see if you go says you are but it's becoming an annual occurrence every year. Be a denebu, ye begina, yakasa, yam speech, while recording. That should not be the future going forward. So now we need to arrest the situation. Going forward, and then why the always watching, we have to start reinforcing myself with the assembly, and then the cracks up the dim, the information from our structure there, and they are repairing kaka. If we shall put us to the man, then once one more. My mom wants to get a head and MP no me man, and I MC. Wufie or you wufie fear Sika call bones remember the one then the frame. Who's for support? We Bushian with if ya Bushiania won't be together. The baby uncle oh MP and I mayor Kakane yes cement in the blocks. It was more sorry. Now Yenya enter as would be. And see that's the approach going forward. Immediate approach or relief. The people need do our nobody is being upon your side. It's bank a crib other one to be in your side. It's immediate relief is to give people some support. I was going to tell one than analogy. Or ye baby or the crack. Or there should be bigger matches and we here and I be there.
Because you see there, on possible. We cannot do that. But the very temporary places and perform. We put in that Bibi Kaka is a sham of man was a action 1 to 5. Be when you be safe, you got an each other. This Bibi Kaka or no one about 1 to. But we need a long-term solution. And then as you say, baby, when you stage all the wood, if I get a technical knowledge, that the mutiny or the issue we will do so. But I don't want us to get into the culture of just breaking houses in pieces. So we shouldn't wait for the houses nor a week and Sunday you break.
When and some measure bedroom and my Cape Coast South on your book, Ricket Hagan and the two or mouth for no enemy. And twas name quite German so name for fuel prices and pay a Wahonu Yamfa and Remunti and a date no 24th of June 2026. Obama dena Urasha filling station biasa auto petrol 1 liter a bono a 15 cedis 90 pesos and a diesel no a 16 cedis 99 pesos. Oko frames oil so petrol no a 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no a 16 cedis 35 pesos. What JP no petrol no a 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no a 15 cedis 77 pesos. Sanso and a Zen filling station at on petrol and bono a 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no a 16 cedis 46 pesos. Benab ebema petrol and bono a 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no a 15 cedis 81 pesos. Sanso and our total energies as well. Petrol no a 14 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no a 16 cedis 95 pesos. Otwaso na o call Guel filling station as well. Petrol no ebo a 13 cedis 87 pesos and a diesel no a 15 cedis 95 pesos. Oko Star Oil petrol no a 13 cedis 85 pesos and a diesel no a 15 cedis 93 pesos. While Pacific filling station no petrol no a 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no a 15 cedis 98 pesos. Petrol so and so ebema petrol ne bono a 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no a 12 cedis 98 pesos. Into way and filling stations ahodo bi so eka ho a so obamode na okọ cityrate.com ubenya na ode aye wa ho boa se ne se na efata na ha na emre be makwan ema yede Coastal TV morning mix kase bono yede ni nyina aba no awieye na emom no yensa aka de ubon krata e wo fia se ya no so ye ba bie so aye mu pensempense mu ama won so ehu ne ekoso e wo oman ni mu nti bomade anse oni Coastal TV ebetena na oni ye edijuma yenje aboafo nkrato na yensan brasesia.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa akodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so kitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwenso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Majendida, the other perfect day, many bida. Stuck with you forever. You be my ride or die, so healer. Odone kakuma, I the wood in a shame, my baby. I go to Sophia Napa, and the captain, but what's in a go. Wakaya manjendino, Odona manjendino, black wash. Why da woda pancake, you know, asam kasa frankensido. She be Rihanna, with a touch of Beyonce. Oh yeah, na man, with a touch of Mata. She be Rihanna, with a touch of Beyonce. Oh yeah, na man, with a little touch of Mata and Goma. Georgie Bayote. I'm a proud of my girl. Modono, I love you, Balamake. Mama will Range Rover one, oh my mini Range Rover one. Oh papa ni Range Rover one, no be ala ni Range Rover one. Besi aba, nyawanga mini meda, oda eda sisika awakaya wamwa, biya na beja mebe, abe. Wakaya manjendino, oda na manjendino, black washe. Why da woda pancake, you know, asam kasa frankensido. She be Rihanna, with a touch of Beyonce. Oh yeah, na man, with a touch of Mata. She be Rihanna, with a touch of Beyonce. Oh yeah, na man, with a little touch of Mata and Goma. Georgie Bayote. I'm a proud of my girl. Modono, I love you, Malabakai.
Mami Sansoma wakwa baby member Coastal TV so morning mix djumedie na uguso a wo hwei ansana ye de ubon krata no ebebrɛ no mami mfa quick announcement we emfa entwam se mo ana mutie news anopa ne de bebre na de adase mpo se yaka ho asem dada enti we every Center for National Culture Cape Coast na omo every omo say of course enra omo lanche omo Seacow Oparabia Marketable Skills Training Program 2026 edition no now program we no ebekoso from 27th of July to 21st of August na chese be 1 month and na omo de ebeye star program fans ameka say 1 month and omo ye star program we no na ne tie say Coastal TV ye wo forms no ye wo bi ofiase nti say bia wo pese utobia na oba Coastal TV office agrofie ha say ya ubenya forms ni bi ato na courses a omoche no ebi bead making decoration and floral arts hair braiding omoye tie and dye and batik enso ewo ho facial makeup fascinator and other crafts and omusanso basic sewing na bag and sandal making drawing and painting omoye photography and omoye dreadlocks no kwa no say o pesa onko sua dreadlocks a registration no 500 cedis sika obetu ya no 500 cedis apart from dreadlocks no any other course bia o pesa onko ye no oye course ba ko a 150 Ghana cedis per program course ba ko bia 150 Ghana cedis but so pesa onye mienu a anka wo say 300 but oma ye na discount oma tisu say hu intinu so pesa onye course mienu a 250 cedis course ba ko 150 course mienu 250 cedis inti sana se intino bomodian se obeba Coastal TV ababe fa forms there na wetimi a register into offer forms na your part A B C ene ne keka ka ho nyina na form hands into we fele na afei no information bi a ewo ho no be fele na wo de ahyem na wa submit ewo omo office ewo CNC eho na wo be submit forms no ewo intino yeah 2 sessions jumedi is in 2 sessions omo wa nopa and omo wa awia nti anopa de no start 9 o'clock a omo we pon awia 12 and na awia de no so be start 1 na omo pon 4 every day for 1 month nti eno ne asema e wo ha bomode asa obeba Coastal TV na waba beje o forms de na wa register so na be ya so betimi take part in the skills training no we epa ho agisa afi gisa next year na omo sanso ayebiem nti bomode asa obe take advantage na watimi esua bibi sua san dwuma bi na emmoa wo sana etie afi yentu aso na yenko de ubon krata na yensa akanu na yenfa embestomo efa de ofina etisen
AFIBA nyamia dom na onso
mesha ho me de na akaska scan the bag bi abefa men dream ho but o sorry on upon scan new botoma one cause I feel say wonya normal I don't know about you
scan pedede so the more you make too much noise about money no unsan kan just be on the low
adeba ko so minim say ne wo de wano eka bebre no eno na eba wa brabo
sika de entisa
etisa
sika pedede
etisa Okay. Na akwaba mum de. Yemfa graphic na na say the one kata do emfa ma ya shofo ni etifo. Yemfa daily graphic emfa nhyase anope. Na enim ha no du Thomas Partey the other guy ni minim. Onu ye England for nipa. Aha. Thomas Partey any England for nipa no. Aye gidi. Aye say Esau and Jacob bra na omowo omo mami yem no. Onse omo pia ba bonte na ba ko de ba ko nemu. Sa na ekoso ha say. Tack of war pa na ekoso ha say. Just a chuma mentwe ankasa. I say Stars take giant step, neutralizes England with masterclass display. Me say I mean your sports and no there, but Netiani say anyone born no boy no there. If at this moment I want to apologize to Black Stars for underestimating you people. Cause anyone born no England boy there, massa. It was not on the floor. Then not form, but moya there. And even though yentimi ansha there, but yetimi neutralize all the grounds, all the corners and England bit me a fana or Modia share no. Oh, it's me, your money in I feel. Your money in I feel, you know. And I pay kudos to Black Stars. Mayadi. You see, and once a baller Thomas Partey and manage him, this is not only Canada vex and ye bende. You, and also a story for another time. Okay, it's daily graphic there and the Black Stars and once them the better front page. Bibian can be Bianca dem, Bianca Tanasi. It's and only asema daily graphic and pay or their babe sway.
Okay, again for the Chronicle and Swaso. Gold Board announces overhaul of pricing regime. A year Gold Board. Omo dia be suja say omuju media omudi no ensesaye omo de ensesaye bi be minti omobe magana for yen aso ate. I want power back for NPP. Paula Foko. Nya all kanono. Senyame adoma NPP sign back. Preparatory school at Amamole turns pupils into beggars.
Hey. I don't see there sama.
Uni me ho asem. Yebe more follow up on it na senior tibia na yede bebre mo. Yemfa last one also so CSO's Lord MIFF's investment in Electrochem. Yemfa the informer and so government cracks down on gun ownership. To see an abiding who says senior in Crawford possess guns no enye adia eye enti omo de abesuja say wo biara wo firearms you have it in your possession wa register say we used to omo revoke ni na enti se anu obia ni ho a ye ni owner of any gun enti bra omo aso aye na esan be register etuo na wa register de dada no sabra e be register enye sa say aban no e police for no e for mo senkra police ni treating
police ye we treating
omo oji yes a police for no mo so mu a emra no ene wo ebegi
obesi afọ mo say bi aban bodwuma ye for but omo say da ni treating.
NDC lied its way to power. Enone asema afenyo marking eka se eka o say power na NDC abedinu entro nkwa na odi omo ka kire Ghana for omo de ntro ene inada ene de aba power. UTAG best state government. Apolitical otumfo eye otumfo santeman hene ode abesudwa se enya de a ono no ne political party bi eye ejuma NDC ba power one NDC eye ejuma NPP enso eba power one NPP eye ejuma enti ono de onye affiliated to any political party. Rawlings was selfless. Mahama we are sema Rawlings enso even Mahama
Rawlings only how
When you asama mahama edibesu dwa during time now omo name headquarters no omo de ceremony na omo eye say omo de headquarters no to the late Rollins, yes, Jerry John Rollins, yes. AFIBA.
Yeah, the informer ho now. Also what say government cracks down on gun and ownership no. I say ho no ojo bi ho na ye me de pa. I say firearm holders to undergo psychiatric and drug tests.
Okay.
Let me say thank God.
It's very good.
Of course.
Because DVL po koye uko say uko pe license obeye eye test.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Because go be no kita to organize say sebi impedious on my dream. So we say more than say be show adwin
assess adwin no say
function ye and sana ya di to asha wonsem e china pongo toto mba profo we because
very good.
You didn't know.
Very good.
Of course. Yafa daily guide and twaso and pay now court grants Kojosafo and 8 others 4.5 million Ghana cedis bill. They say court ama Kojosafo the brother of Sarah Josafo and the son of the late Safo Kantanka omama no bill and no police for Kozwano na omama ni bill and only nkrofo 8 bi so na kan wo munim sa shooting incidents no hu bi no police for Kozwa much say no court am mo bill it's scared that's your 4.5 million Ghana cedis. Adjusafo breaks silence, bullet glass fragments lodged near my brain. Now Adjusafo so na e say so all kasa all kano e bi ene say bullets two aboyi any glass because not to come no shooty through the window until glass na tutu and the breeze near there no e bi akwakohye ne brain. Electricity tariffs up by 3.49% and water by 0.85%. Enra emamunya ntia say no electricity and nsuo ebo ebekosho sanse tariffs no yatum into bia enhye nso. Gold Board introduces new pricing regime yedin kan aka ho asem dada. Baumia presidency coming Paul Afoko na ochim say eden ya 2028 no Baumia ene the NPP party omobeba into power eno ne nsema ekoso ewo ehase. All right, Lovina.
Okay, yen fa Metrolens and so review Disability Act 715 to better protect persons with disabilities. Anodompre laws are protected people with disabilities. In Crawford omudi dem anodompre de abetuja say was say abino eshena or ma in society bibem senior. It will better protect these people. Ghana frustrates England in Boston.
Bro, you see your frustrates. Okay.
Electricity tariffs up 3.49%, water 0.85% from July effective. Senior ye dikai akadedano from July effective July 1st. Electricity bill, any water bill, ebekoso enti and also asem enono. Kantanka family feud. I have never owned a gun. Adwasafo ede abetuja say nia esi wo ninua ne honom no enya ade ase na nkofo keka say na okuratuo she was the first person to use the gun. Or say ntro na oni etuo bia ewo ne possession.
The Ghanaian publisher, and also Gold Board unveils trading reforms. Idinka Kanwasem, Sami Jemfi Infoni and Daze. Intim Fojo calls for probe into $208 million drug linked to Ghana. Intim Fojo. Okay. And you say, in Bonne Sensembia, Elcoso, na Sika. That's no $208 million. Na just Ghana yehumbo mubi and ye citizens no ye den na yehumbo mubi na intim for just say yenye enhwehwemu aban no ene mpanyfo enye nhwehwemu e was asem no mu say be ya no kra e be daddy nenta my shock ne say intim for dwe ya na ekoka say aeroplane o se helicopter bi aba besi airport bi e the drugs bi insensem bebre e ka so on fa evidence mra wantimi on fa evidence amba and we san so aba be ka say drug issue bi so esan so e koso ha say you emre ne nkrabia and ebechi Kojosafo in ASAZ get bill. Okay, I didn't can I can want 70 means so emboss to be cra. All right. Mama for the news center for the news center and so Interior Ministry suspends all private firearms licenses. Ya can want some dada. Flood scale 18 displaces 9,000 in central region and Kwano. Floody nso yiri ya efa nkrofo ebubu nkrofo gu ni ade nipa etimi akọ omo the whole of central region omo ye 18 edu nwotwe ena nipa be se 9,000 de omo ni baby da me no kasai omo dan ebubu bi omo japade ase ana nso na fo mu fie omo nya baby enda se say me no e kasai nso na tu omo efi omo fie. All right. The burden of proof and the presumption of innocence lessons from London. Samson Ayini ne asiko bi awatro no ene the news center mu nti unye bi na wo kenkan ya obehu ne ekoso ewo mu ankasa. All right, nti no ne asema ewo the news center anope.
Okay, you share the publisher. My dad's ghost blocked the bullets. Adrasafo.
Ahon ti bi aba.
Oh, once a papa no na oye powerful. Enti in the moment no, senya you say bullets near 48 oh.
48 bullets.
48.
And on back shoot.
Yes. So just imagine surviving with no major injuries. AFIBA.
That the ghost is you're very powerful.
Oh, yeah, Danyamia say be bonny bia and shedanto. But you see injuries and send akwe no. I just say omo de no go outside. Ekwe yes am.
Me tell na so pe ebo baby ne baby fufu ana.
Omo say na so but send aye no ebe can some parts of her face. So in order to avoid that, no, there's the need say omo be fly no e de na call abrochi meimu no mako conduct some surgeries on her.
I mean, who was Kadia? Why not?
Okay. Where's Sikafona?
Oh, yeah.
I couldn't talk. I ain't here for your thing. I am worried. Yes.
Oh, my God.
Akofena and gang gets a 4.5 million bail. No mental health test. No gun use. Senior Interior Minister. Kano. Say no obey registration say ope so use gun yema license betimi dey use etu I was say ye hwehwe wa adwem e de hwe say we are capable of handling it. Baumia victory is my motivation ene asema afoko kola foko enso ka ewa ha yemfa the daily searchlight into aso the planned game worked.
Your plan game e dey no. Okay. I mean, when shame I say or me ma when shame am so mention yen say no yen kwatena say.
Na mention and see I say the reason why I say Ghana ye ni age because yan share why are we happy?
Yan share no mo so an share. Omo share dey anka na ya asam foforo but ya yan share omo so an share. Say me ye share say me ka say we draw 0-0 draw. Aye. 0-0 draw. It's no. Yanshe Musmanshe. No harm.
And even considering the fact say England a very strong team. Now
and no more Black Stars but what's the other side my TNT should be.
I should be answer Mama Miranda.
No worry, and that's supposed for the Baba. But the say no ball a Ghana boy any day. In fact, it was better than your money Panama boy no. It seems like a woman now my dream say England no so who be sent to omo battalions ni omo firearms ni na equal park na so with all their vim as an Panama no because we were underestimating them no. So we didn't think they can actually do anything very good. So yeah, should have end game
team na any Panama boy no. The same in Crawford no money England boy and as major change.
Me ankasa mention the name face so all I know is the Black Stars. But no
key
worry.
People
sports for the bar. Sports for the bar. Omode. And also Andre you Okay, no.
Oh yeah, they.
Right, so that means what I say to make her say park and also hono. I dare have brandy we here the last time on it, any Panama game, the same thing I feel so kokoye. This time I call you bandage ewenity.
Hey, Captain. Captain.
Call you bandage ewenity. Obi I said, yeah, fine, who crying can not want to.
Where are you, Anna?
You don't know the I mentioned
Jordan, are you?
Nini, Andre.
Oh.
Andre, are you?
Me, more difference in
we know much years a colons one train here, but the same distance. Aye. Okay, your money man or park and so. All the same, yet I could at least a man share. Young should be crying out or man share. And I'm measurable now to say the list attempts for England to score now. I say Ghana for bet me you born if you are not Bobo natural. Oh, come and see jubilation. UCC.
I don't go show you.
Yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. Okay. It was a grand watch something. Grand watch party. Say no idea.
Yeah, Daniel say Wama Ghana inkunim die aba.
Of course.
Address phone sem na ne wa ha. I know one ni nua akofena. Yen hwe Afenyo Markin accuses President Mahama of discrimination. Na sembia koso parliament. Me said during parliamentary proceedings no ena Mahama edibetu dwa say ohia majority
or president oh.
Oh, sorry.
President Mahama.
President Mahama. Your Excellency.
Your Ibrahim Mahama. I confusion aba.
Your Excellency, President Mahama. They betu just say, opese on majority in Parliament. NDC for no. Yes, an emergency meeting. Now, omo they discuss parliamentarians omo welfare. Na, na minority for no. Responded back say, discrimination cause omo ntia say. Omoye meeting na Mahama a friend in call for say omonkoye another meeting na meeting no asema na nka ombeka no na nka e wo say minority for no so presence e wo honom nti eno na Afenyo Markin di hu abobo AFIBA patwaso
Yemfa Republic Press and so minority reject tariff hikes calls for utility price reduction. Minority edom kuma ewo mrashe bedwem ese utility tariffs na utility PURC for ede aba abonten se ompeso monto enyam kane abuom ene nsuo buom ni de omo njintum na se price bi ebeye bibi mpo na wose omote so also omote nsuo ebo so ene kane ebo so nemum enye ne omudi bi ka ho omudi bi ka ho ne de they reject it. Government holds firearms. Okay, ya can want some. Black Stars shock England. Hold 3 Lion to stalemate. Aye, yeah, so I am my own share. Aye, Konongo Kaya. So I am my own swat. Police arrest 4 suspects over shooting and murder of couple in Upper East region. And for 4 and 9 na suspects. I say, and this to say. Omo akako ku awari for mienu bi awari for say mienu for mienu awari okay nipa for beti awari for mienu nti obi ni kunu ana obi ni ne yere na nkofo enan omakako shooti wo mo shooting na ehse say say etuo eka ho nti na aban ne say oma obi a ye mentally delusional bia no enhodi etuo e wo Ghana ha say kama ya say mo mfetuo ne nya de papa
na sa robbery and killing yi hu nsensem yi wo de ukọ obi fie se ukọ bia na de wo de wia na kwai na wo sa kuna ka ho de wo bone na doosu
ono odwe money
we di kan
ono odwe money mi
first sin what shooty second major sin wa kele it's not a good thing and mudi akonfo yes just mudi ne man mo fanko yen kwa ho de ehu hia pa
ebi won so say ba ofie na person prove difficult and say ba ya no omo ba ya no manya hwe ya na omo bufu na omo hwiti na ade honestly the robbery itself first of all you are not supposed to do that. It is illegal, it is criminal, and it is a sin in the ofine no and I don't even know why you decided to go and steal in the first place. What stealing so and stealing na kwa some dreamulie.
Exactly.
So enku obi so enfanka. Area hose mankasa. AMA stops construction works at North Kaneshi over building permit verification. Into no Accra Metropolitan Assembly and omo asinkofo bi so omo nsidan ewo baby friends North Kaneshi san say omo ni permit I say omo de esidan permit omo say omo ebesidan. Kantanka Security Services license suspended over shooting of Adjoa Safo. Inti Kantanka ono na nkasa won security services say no ya jo aban jo omo license e film nsem enam sa shooting incidents na e course no inti ya je omo license e film nsem. The custodian.
Okay. Weja Gbawe MP's eye surgery initiative benefits second batch. Weja Gbawe omo MP no say or the jumedie bi akoso wo ho a hwe say one wo eye problems no omo be a doctor for ebe hwe na omo etimi asa won yare. Say obi fufron so ateki on the same initiative. Anodompre in Sawim Adwejiri constituents benefit from eye surgery projects. Yes, and also need media Anodompre ateki on a constituency mu in Sawim Adwejiri. Yeah. AG justifies DACF payments into MP's personal accounts we so yetaka ho asempa sika omutua eto MPs omo personal accounts mu ade a e wo se omo hwe na omo pe account for edidi star juma no. Documents proposes mining revenue sharing formula. Yemfa the Daily Post and Swaso. Ghana Medical Trust Fund seeks media partnership to boost awareness on NCD healthcare. Okay. Interior Minister revokes all existing firearm permits. Senior Edikan Akano Dedano. World Cup 2026 resolute Ghana hold England to crucial draw as Asare shines in Foxborough. AFIBA.
Yes, Delphina. Mamemfa the source newspaper and also na Attorney General and or payments of public funds to MPs justified. Supreme Court dismisses injunction. Into no nanka ye pese yemfa injunction ento so say me ntua a common fund no emfa ma MP for emfa so omo private bank account emu. Nemum no Supreme Court say injunction there otimi e de adwuma na oboa esan say Attorney General atimi ama reasons say ye de public common fund no ye de to MP4 account nti wa justify unya the source a obehu reasons a de my nyina. Zimlion begins nationwide fumigation drive. Zimlion so asha say the whole Ghana no on be fumigation ewo miai bebre. People of Wager, but okay, Delphina Waka wants and it means also Nkosubim. Ghana, Burkina Faso commit to common boundary management. Into Ghana and Burkina Faso, yeah, but I no pese or how near man, near ati pibia, the bahonins no. A buy no Ghana buying any Burkina Faso are buying about modia clear demarcations with the median patrol, no trespassing. And only in summer air cost to ho. The Daily Statesman amede etwaso Baumia presidency is coming. Paula Foko declares with bold 3 hours plan to rescue NPP. The NPP among your chrono omaye plan bia my friend say 3 hours 3 and an hour and a S. A plan be a beboa ama nyame ya adoma 2028 no Baumia aban ene bebaso Baumia NPP aban ene bebaso eno ne nsama Paula Foko oka minority discrimination yaka want some government. All right, Charles Bisiu rejects calls for case withdrawal, demands full trial. Okay, then so nsem so a ekoso e Charles Bisiu ene court no akache Daily Statesman nso ne dia ode aba ene.
Yemfa the Ghanaian point and so Mr. Gold Board hun sensem na ene waha. Interior Ministry revokes all gun license, orders reapplication process. NPP leads NDC with 49% support in new APL National Vote Tracker Survey. Kwejo Safo, 8 others granted 500,000 bail over Adjoa Safo shooting case. Yes. AFIBA.
Yeah.
Sensem bebere na yedi kai.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. It's no. And now me women and leadership. But me ewa ha say.
Ene omamba.
Em say ene no moko holiday. Eno anso mama me boa. So me the Accra Times Eka Paula Foko ne die no eho asem and priced out of a home, high rent cost challenge young Ghanaians into emabunu binum, and so omunya ni easy cry with regards to rent any idea because of rent into also be too free the fear no share them and sensem bebre. Tips on investigative journalism. Manasseh Azure schools Unimark students into Manasseh Azure at the Nchechebi ama addition from what Unimark say kwa mbafa so mbetimi aye investigative journalism mbetimi afifi nsemu emu bye nsemu ankasa investigative journalism ho asem international so ye nsem bia ekoso to be kwache celebrate Rollins for NDC founding values into Totobi Kwache and na Obo Rollins the late Abaso enam nyema bia odi gu akwem ma eye party no ne fapem a ejina so fighting corruption in Ghana. Shraj boss demands genuine commitment from state institutions. Into Dr. Joseph Dr. Joseph last name means Whittal okay or your Shraj boss or no ena oche mu say you bet me akọ corruption e Ghana ha say pa na e was state institutions ni nyina no omoye committed omutimi eye adwuma no omoye adwuma ni yie we are committed to something na we ye adwuma yie e mani si yie nti eno ne nsema yakoso ase
AFIBA,
yes.
Times I can be I'm very interested.
Okay.
Transport crisis deepens. Long queues, high fares, delays hit commuters. Sa pandemic we crime say Cape Coast. Yeah, shut down Accra there a major.
Yeah.
Very serious. Now me say me kofia me say prisons. Ankafo queue I was say me disono. It's too much. Ya kwani nyanti eya na driver for no omo mpese omo be kɔ no nti egusu esre ye mpanimfo mo be ye kwan ne man na ankafofo ebre eya yenya ka cause ye kwan no enye bako say over 1,700 displaced as floods ravage western region. Nti Cape Coast enya ye nkwana nsuo no fire. About 1,700 people or more western region almost so they are very much affected by the flood. Cape Coast, their numbers say 1,900.
Dario
saying
9,000 plus displaced.
Oh,
omo we 18. At least western region they were reported to be yeah, but omo we 18 and omo we displaced near 9,000 plus. See, I'm saying ye doors, ye the end doors, ye number no, and doors pa. Affecting other parts of the country by a number no endorse pa. Okay. Yen ko Africa Today na yen fa eno encha etso. Miss the new TCDA CEO Dr. Andy Osei Okra, who has brought unprecedented transformation to the authority. The announcement in Zambia also has Zoom begins nationwide fumigation backlash mounts over fresh falsehood by the Fourth Estate despite inconsistencies with Mohammed's committee findings. Intino, and also in Zambia also the Fourth Estate. I think about some false publication we are also but enumpono committee na yete someone stress answer no ohun ni say ninsama ankofo eka no enya no kre na emom no as still na no the public no any committee nimpo enya adwen. Sanitation crisis loom looms in Accra over severe lack of landfill sites. Many residents have resorted to digging deep holes to bury their waste. Into no Accra say na nkofo be na etutu amena se na be omude omwura ebegum san say landfill sites no kame say enye adwuma enye ne kakra wo hono so mpo enye adwuma na ebi nso wo nsan so enye ho bebre sa nti eno ne nsema ekoso ewo ho me the way every the Daily Times a chat to na efe ya sorry so all right. Ghana's unemployment crisis deepens. Citizens cry out as economic hardship bites harder. Government promises under intense scrutiny. Nti abano obano oshe bebre 24-hour economy, job creation, and in a kanka wina. Nemum no Daily Times say unemployment level, unemployment rate no a cost unemployment crisis no a cost remua din ankasa amacha say omanfo bebre na so na edo omo atuma omusu because bebre eni adwuma ye techiu emabunu bebre eni adwuma ye. Now, just imagine. I'm not saying that I was say you, but Omaya Mabuni Niejuma Yedie. It is the same situation in Tunisia. Send an opinion news, a vice chancellor of CCTU, or can I say a protest near the it's me too are buying cry guyano. It can happen. If I say NC, say NC, it can happen. See, so yen shan so sa. Now, unemployment rate cost with dia, and na CNC. See, bra, na besuya skills training. Seek how operable marketable skills training. No, shall say on the reference to the dates before I make a mistake, and you go and sit there and they have not started, and you say that AFIBA is the one who said this. Okay, on the 27th of July, and come back 21st. On the 27th of July to 21st August, patrol unemployment rate na akoshono. And now me and for unemployed graduates. It's Brana Bejo forms Coastal TV. Messi Beden Bejo form Coastal TV. So Bessia course back or Bessia me no Nina born so I just say a bebo. Yeah, I mean for one
couple say Ukusia, if I say make up this basic skills very expensive.
Very.
When you CNC for my 2-4 block 150 cedis,
yeah.
250. Very. Near cost 500.
Yeah. And here dreadlocks no. Yeah, no. Because I don't know when you a dorsum ankasa. Answer no be dreadlocks. I'm na edimu se dreadlocks papa nie no. When you dorsum. Them say no I know ne bo no 500. Besides, most of the tools are obe here. I was on found the enko there, but most of the tools are obeying here, so on fine age man, or mudi bebre now, so a mount, on pay when up heading, open kaya motum. So, modern now Bejo forms Coastal TV. Beji will forms Coastal TV. Now register. Now unemployment no, a bian count, ama weni ambre. Yenfa the ubonka tano enfa NC has say na efe, yenja boafon crat or yen pens will be num, na yaba. Na yɛte nse nkomo bibre wo ha ye ba bedi ewie so a ye de sports no ebe ba nti bo mode ansa woni ye betena ye nja bo afon krato ebe wasesia
amuyanke awa kechilo ayakugule bebrebe awakayo Mama wasu anamankasam bichro rasa no sopa bate chipa nshenku demu wini yanka enyigwe anagai man byala nchini fie yansa mama chila modo daddy mpode wala fashe mamba kebyo beye na mashemesi ade nasa yanku 70 day be a different story. One no man I say man me yeah very boring. No I can't change junkie. Way my life make messy. The addiction got me stealing. Now I can't be prison. Sene umuwa abana kabada mansa. Nyako no answer man yo. I walk on the mente. No answer man yo. I am cool baby. School when you mo question baby. No one samanyo. Gangsta, I am a diabalofa. No one samanyo. One Sunday morning, I go drop my fee and I get for the church. I won't go ballin'. And Mutu was special, be me there, my friends. We stand do mixes. We've been drinking alongside some guys. I make fine, still I want drive. Where I can knock somebody. So we rush and go hospital. Survive a chance so little. Doctor, yeah, still now I my medical board is an onion, I beg you, call my wife for me. Make she no say me the prison. What arrested by police. Drunk and drive me the reason. Send a umoa. Abana kabada mensa. Yako. No answer my yo. I walk on the mente. No answer my yo. I am Google baby. No answer my yo. School when you mo question baby. No answer my yo. Gangsta, I am a diabalofa. No answer my yo.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafango no na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwadwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomeden semso fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won kwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Yeah, that's our video. No, that's why the Coastal TV digital channel 514. And also say, oh, share your Facebook and also say YouTube. No, yeah, that's a pan. Say, that's why it's na share say no so na about 9:20. Ofi den da so da hadia ye da se ogidia wo ewo yemu na netia ne se anopa ye pese ye di nkomo bia e very very important ne ye try sanka ye ne resource persons ebeba na omaba be show madwana se omaba kan wasem ahye but emergency bia de omakodi baby ntino omantimi amba na netia ne se recently and as I said nansen ensem bi ekoso ewo ye schools nimu menka say only senior high school and as I say meka say a basic school in fact ye schools basic SHS tertiary ensem mi ekoso ewo papa na you videos, you pictures. First of all, I mean, can't you say inappropriate? So, we share any of those pictures or videos. And say, oh, ye be sa no what to move for. Now, of pictures and videos of students and teachers. So far, I've not seen a female teacher and a male student. I've not seen it. So, it means me can want them. But the meeting I can want some male teachers and female students engage in an inappropriate relationship. I want some ababe toja. Omanfo be a candidate, obi a candidate na Ghana there. We know how to rubbish certain things. Say asama bana ye kana ebehwe ne yakan ye na omo a esese ye twoma so ne ye be twoma so no na ya sha ase draw conclusions. Ya sha ase dey wine beating about the bush. Ye be kan last yenkuhu baby asem no ebekwa akosi. But GES abomodin example with the Bole Senior High School there no pono omo actually teacher ni no ma generalize such as omo as in sense onye teacher adwuma bia wo under Ghana Education Service there onye teacher adwuma ni biem e twa so ekoso ewo ho anisa na sanse we first me na mete ewo tertiary universities ne technical schools ahodo but say lecture we or say students we ene na nye say ya or pass no or be fail no I want na me 30 pa but SHS dey no na won tante ubeti bia once bi na ba kwa ba eno kwa na e rumor ye nhye dey hu pictures ne videos na na say any say ye hu no eno kwa na ensem keka ye say teacher ni we akwa say ye say students we akwa say but now ye nhye da hu but say dey feel gadochi e we hwena no he ya ye hu documentaries ne ade e bi kwa ya words omo ye omadwen say omo ye bibi sa record so omo be recording it fine omo de ababa to abanti e ha adwen e ma your education sector no first of all enimu because imagine some magic certificates our Ghana has say na mekwa akopie mu wo abrochime mu baby ne aka che me say me certificates no enye legit nti just make sure omo exams me pass ansa na omage omama me certificate for say me mfanye adwuma e wo omukrom e ha adwen and the mine educational sector na come say yen chance kwala no hwe e wo school mu ho yen chance kwala no hwe e wo school mu ho anope I'm not coming to blame the teacher, I'm not coming to blame the students, I'm just coming to blame the system na e masa ade we ekoso e wo ho no eno e na me ba beka ho asem whether say students no na oya aware o whether say na onim hu bi so ono mpo ene born hu naked ene ba teacher ni fie say mpacho ene minye say kwa na eno ne nyamasem. Let's look at the fundamentals, the foundation because I know na ye build it upon oman be ye ye no start fin ne nti no na ye build it upon ye de monako school say future leaders omunko sua de na omunya nimde a ometimi ade aye niema bebre wo Ghana ha say ye ka manufacturing ye ka infrastructure ye ka all the sectors health ne ade na ekoba ne say ya timu say ntwaye Dofina, mami bisa o when o sha sasa o call like school now what ate ensem bi say What starting wo ehfa side?
Tertiary. But see na say even in SC baby, it happens everywhere.
Yeah.
SHS, tertiaries, and all of that. But then, in SHS, JHS, yeah, as you may say, students, they aren't matured enough.
Yeah.
And then, yamba has say, yamba victimize you, be a say, the teacher in the recent issue, the teacher is to be blamed. Now you just students, no.
Yeah.
Say students no at that point we've all been there before, AFIBA. A teacher would make advances to you. Some would agree,
yeah,
some wouldn't. For Nkrofona Omun Peninsula, what makes them difference? So I believe that even at that age, as a student, you consider say you are immature at that point, you have, you should be able to be reasonable enough. Men can say me a student, teacher, making advances to me, so I'm just giving in. We've all been there before.
Yeah.
We have colleagues who do it and then colleagues who do not do it. So for those of us who do not do it, what makes us difference?
Yeah.
I believe there are two sides to this. First of all, students are sent to school to be protected and not to be exploited. Two sides to this, and then say, in the first place, some teachers would intimidate students into having an affair with them. The students at the other end, osro into obey.
Yeah.
And then there's a second part of this, students, teacher, are making intentions known to the students, and the students being a bad child, yes, the student being a bad child will just agree to this. When you have said teacher and share that and intimidating, but then because she also wants this, she gives in. Into such scenarios, now Rebecca say, who students be victimized, one can't show say you didn't know whatever sanctions that are taken against the teacher, it was a woo students, so you're taking the same thing when it comes to you. Yes.
Now, on say, now make in some way on. This is not the first time I hear TB. I mean, in recent times, I hear one too many, and it seems like maybe I bet you teacher Nina saying students maybe I bet sacking or I be signing bond and I be it nothing. So it's like there's this system of enabling teachers they have the effrontery to do all these things because they know that especially if it is a student, if it involves a student, if ni mama ni papa ebi ni omu nsem dia eni omu nim se enkohwe
na boli teacher idea baye we nim say students and the parents are trying to cover up almost say teacher enehwe akwala no.
What?
They are aware of the relationship going on between them. How? Into ways Mejidi say it's due to ahoche. And then my parents but then it's not even right. Yes, as
you,
a parent,
you don't put your child's life into jeopardy because teacher need a channel. Oh, how you mean telling me this story?
Well,
so teacher need a channel into now. So say of course matrimonial duties no school laboratory. I don't care whether the teacher needs your school fees on the top provisions on the other, but that girl is a minor. And you as a 30-something years old teacher, you don't take advantage of a child simply because oto jani manidi, oto and paba manishe, oto we manishe. You don't do that at all. In no way should that be used as a reason and as a justification for near echoes. In no way.
Even as a teacher, in that moment, if your moral disciplines and if it fails you at that point, your ethics as a teacher should come to play.
Yeah.
What they say morally no what show so enye ye. But in the moments where you find yourself, baby in school no ethics rules and regulations eniema ebo teacher no ade chena wo no eniema bi wo ha yesimenye yeni say and even if you come into the school setting no school no so our rules and regulations are moves to the teacher no so I was say wo diso
yeah
into in the moment say wo sha so enye ya just remember say the school frowns upon this act and I will teach and also know you've been through various levels of education. You've had a couple of experiences when you see Akolano by far. You have acquired some lessons so far in life. Who teacher no you can stand. Ubetimi aka say, oh, Miss Swano, me say, many anje hoba Akolano afei na oba. Eye den ya sene wo brains amature no. Ne die no inyandru honum. In you have to, take advantage of the child. And then to the students, you have every right to decline a teacher's offer. Teacher making advances towards you, you report to the authorities. I came across a video on TikTok where a young man or some ordeal be our through. So we know the opposite of it.
Okay.
Our school be new teacher and as a female student making advances
at him. Okay.
He reported to the headmistress at the time. The next day they called him for a meeting. No call and as a school no board no and any girl no mommy. Question a girl no mommy it me bisa na at that point and say inti sisi na wa be reported ni baba no ama authorities no what is he expecting the authorities to do to the girl? When some we teacher need
for reporting that a student is behaving inappropriately with him.
Yes, students teacher need. But then if the coin had flipped and a teacher no rather making advances to this girl, it would have been a different case.
So you see why I'm saying that the system now you put it in place is not good at all for our children and even in fact because listen to this. I'm looking up the GES standard of professionalism or code of conduct for teachers especially. There's a part that says student protection and anti-violence rules. And there's this section that says sexual misconduct, any form of sexual harassment, suggestive remarks, or romantic involvement between a teacher and a student is treated as a major offense and carries immediate legal and professional consequences. Immediate legal and professional consequences. We are not disputing the fact that Nkolaboni we are saying. One anya Nkolaboni. Obia ya Nkolaboni o. Obia ya Nkolaboni pen e na Nkolaboni nso busua ewo ho. But ye sanso nim say just as ye wo Nkolaboni ye wo Nkola papa, ye wo mpanyin boni e na ye wo mpanyin for papa ewo ho. As parents, first of all, let's protect our children. Obey ya de enye yakwa wa ka che mpanyimfo ne say obey ya de we mempe into onjai. Ubisa ne say what does he expect what the authorities to do to her? She should sign a bond for one. That's even the least.
And no ka say say girl na ma no or a little bit of influence in a school no this international schools like big schools. So the school wouldn't want to let go of
their sponsor.
No. Or put students are owed their school fees, like the mother is also making, a lot of contributions, good contributions to the school.
So you see the foundation that the mother just laid. It means that anytime you are in a behavior inappropriate to me, be a teacher, ni be a born who musio. I can't call an asem no teacher ni no be losing a job. That's the foundation. Mami no always is here, and that's the child also knows that ne mami ewo to me so beti me I be no misbehavior all throughout.
We okoye bibi. Na obafi onim say den
oh ne mama beka bia ma
ne mama beka bia ma
ne mama kai and so school ni
boils down to the kind of your friend is saying teachings you give, teachings, guidance, and then you know all of that you give to your child. Yes,
yeah,
parents won't be what you move your parents no, we don't have like another option no bibi say no one kasa no untimi nkoye na abeka ho asem ya from am say why you say
die with that.
No, as parents, yes, it is good to create a conducive environment are on ba ebetimin anywho edi inkitahudie enyama how mono ombetimi aka but then there are levels to it. You shouldn't, you know, embrace the bad things they do. Yes, as much as you are creating an environment for them to talk to you, no, I say you should be able to draw the line between what being friendly or, you know, creating such an environment with your child and then the other one. Yes.
Yeah. So anopeon ya pese yentwe nyina ya dwen ensi asem so asem bia ekoso neso yen pese ebeye ne se asem na ba ya kan ho asem na efe yejai amana aka no o se nyina yen hye ne so se wo uba uye awofo uye school authority panibia uye teacher near we all have a role to play in this. When I see this, we cannot blame only the child, the girl, and the teacher. We can't blame only them, but the institution, the system, fundamentals are mole school hono. And no, you bet me. Those actions stem from those foundations that you laid. What I say, into no, sir. Students be aba report say teacher anyway oni me ye name bi a me nje ho nti no mon ka bi ma na mon tia teacher ni no njaya we should not take it as students no oboa and make an yen kwala bone e wo wiase e bi ho na akra no genuinely teacher ni na show the mafia bi no no suspect on share ne kafia but it still does not mechanism embo students na sem engu. No matter what, have your investigation done about it so that you know that students no na nyancho na no twa. Me kan chance on fa na asem ko. Students no so be teacher ni na ba beka. School authorities take it up. Investigate it thoroughly. Your investigation to the lowest level. No who say okay, na teacher ni no o ye o say yen twe na so. Teachers for so omodu omo just ani mani you make sure say ya choma so me when say suspension ampo no is not enough. Your mom service and prison time about
teacher nana
okay uncle dem kakra uncle ye juma next time owo so obi baba nam ha onye o me ne say
na movie actress and so be aba house and so abe share ne story osi no school ni teacher ekese no.
Oh my god, on the lip.
I think she yes, probably in class 4 or class 5.
Oh my god.
Yes. So she being a good child, okofie ko reporter ma ne parents. On the other hand, a bad child.
Oh.
Would onukra na afi no be make advances to teacher no na, you know, when students are eyeing their teacher the way they do their body in class and then all of that. No. Yes. It's from the very beginning, no, that is it. Also, any parents, so her parents came into the school. Beka once a but man, your teacher ni she. Man said and take you on the issue. Also, report call school the next day. Na female teacher, a friend say, inti asem no kokan no, or kwa sorry, na sorry no, or kwa sorry mo catch and say, mon chan troche say. You, the female teacher, no, you are not even trying to protect the girl. Just no, who is a girl in a chantro.
What for what?
Male teacher po ena. But then you being a female, by some crowd one back. So say and also no the parents of Muji in free school.
You see, these are the parents that we are looking for. These are the parents that parents want to me born kola. These are the ones that we are looking for. And then you will become because hey, if you're collaborating and you are tricking a so next time baby cry na onka. Or the best no. You be who answer na fe aye too late.
Too late.
Aye too late. Cause you and women supporting women. You as a female teacher, or cast the same way. Now let me calm down first. Me ma wo me papa na say ubi wudi no ha go say ya yenwa. Better me dwe wo e so.
Na ibi na o ka say say female teacher be na
no dey me hu ye. Because me say a rumor but ye hu be so far.
Video be by out in another country.
Okay.
Where female teacher only students like a sex tape it came out. Yes.
Only students.
Students.
So you see, it's as a people those people in authority, no more share. I mean, they have the power. They have your grace in their hands. Your school fees. What's your school fees? If you work now 4th year, and as I didn't know at all. What's your school fees for 4 years? Over baby school. They can't show say 1 year I did where I be fail you. Sure. At that moment, no. All the neural organs in your head, the nerves in your head, the wheels in your head are just thinking, do it so that you get your certificate, then you go. I'm telling you. Unless you have a strong will, like strong power, so fine. Even if I fail, I fail. Yes, I every fiber in your being will tell you that go and do it. I'm telling you, it's real. It's real.
I mean, sexual exploitation, and yet it doesn't go on in the schools only. It goes on everywhere. I think recently in Ghana here, news people out say manager be, ejuma be, say HR so then you pay about pay ejuma beman on your mother.
And son of mum ejuma.
Yes.
Oh my God.
What back on kwa say you pay ejuma no.
Also, you
say it only happens with us, like the females who go pay Juma, then your boss, wants to have his way with you. It happens.
There are women too like that.
It happens with the men too.
Yeah, there are women too who are doing that.
But then you, a woman, wanting to sleep with different. Oh God, there are levels to everything.
You can't think fine. Sure. Some people are very, very shameless, and so they will do it. And men are shameless, and man is shameless. And people will harm me. It's that's how it is in the system. But with the matter of indiscipline, so it is not only the inappropriate sexual relationship and answer relationship with teachers and then the students. There is also this recently video being saw APA about a student and another student. The school, I was trying to pronounce the last time. You corrected me. Say Inchira or something. Inchira Senior High School. Inchira Senior High School. A student. Or a senior, according to a report, ne phone ayera, and he's accusing the junior students of stealing the phone. And the junior and so say, minimum she. That's it. That's it. Where we have my phone, me we have phone. Where we have my phone, me we have phone. And no, I don't know. I hear boxing ball, it was school more. And when point boxing ball, I hear a share, it was school more. The way a senior way is see a yini.
Not even for him to.
There is nothing. I want us to play the video.
To do that in the school setting. In the first place, what did phone eco school cry? It's illegal. It's wrong. And since a student area will be probably low key, so that authorities no mustn't. But then now they feel so comfortable to do certain things in the school environment.
Oh yeah. As for more year crown, teacher new crown put them what they are still doing it. They don't care. They don't care.
Me bought obiasum a video in the school premises. I need be PA national news.
The surprising thing or the shocking thing about this thing too is that other students are around. Other students aging in a hall. Nobody is interviewing. Intervening. Nobody is saying anything. Nobody is trying to stop the senior from hitting the other students. Obi aging in a hall she. And the other guys so when or make video. Was also a video just say something worth capturing, was also a chat. As answer the account, and the other students are just standing around doing nothing. It tells you the extent of the rots that we have in this system. If these people are supposed to be our future leaders, we die with that all. Like my children die with that. If these people are supposed to be the future leaders.
Social media never forgets.
It will never forget.
You think, say, you are doing something, you are young, you are wasting away your time and all of that. In the near future, our baby penny be open votes, you are embarking on certain things. These videos are going to pull up.
They are going to surface.
Yes.
They are going to surface and they will use it to judge you. What school now you say? They will use it to judge you. So it me sure cry. The fact said the students are standing around doing nothing. What?
My son boy in the crowd a bully.
Oh.
Oh yes, some of King Kong. Which mean students will be asked room. What teaching in so yeah or bebo. Video some school be in Colano, say teacher Ghana teacher no adie bia omompe. Where did so much teacher ni?
Yeah, ambush no ebo no. Ambush, sibrim nankasa. Sibrim nankasa. Can you imagine this particular maybe you journey there know. Share as Ghana for and as in paying for no moment take this very very serious. Maybe you know and cry. And yo students beating. Now those days you dare not. Sending podcast now will be here no. Who are you? How many are you? How much are you? You dare not say such any account now will be here no. Do before complaining. I mean, that system also had its disadvantages and all that. But at least there was that level of discipline in the school. There was that level of respect for school authorities. I'm not disputing that it had its disadvantages in a system where students intimate kasa and they are supposed to do whatever that they are told. It's all these sexual relationships and all that. In some situations, the students don't have a say what they are saying. But it also enforced that system that I want in that old age. It enforced that kind of discipline in our schools. Now you way say students mienumpo ebeti na akon and tokwa on the school premises. It didn't used to happen like that. It didn't used to happen like that. But that is what we are seeing right now. Yesterday, Minister for Education, Metro Directors of Education, Municipal Directors of Education, nananom, munye bibimfa homaye, why? Yes, school authorities, headmasters and headmistresses, put a system in place that will enforce this discipline that we are talking about. We shouldn't put our educational system into jeopardy to the sense that other people see our certification as a joke. We shouldn't do that. Nti yesre mbe mfa muka bi ye munka bi maye why munka bi maye sane be ya saade ebetimi etu ase every Ghana has a all together the other students so minim say are respectful so then one to nsa ba akokra mpo say say bia na o show say okot to nsa ombe to ahye ne so abu no say den yo one to nsa one onankasa hwe ya is becoming no and o sanso mpo story hwe we sin ani so yen
yeah okay you can parents and bu ni say ne ma me po yes obebo na no so atene ne nsa wo ne ma me so but
sin also if we be attack akotena baby foforo we di na chi akọ so kwa akobodo osima fa ofo na me se me fa ofo na say beat me about search ana but me search why do you have to beat me? Then in Shira Senior High School, and they say we are students na sad situation we e be to we young students and I just say obebro say ya just obetimi avoid it altogether because we obetimi proud aba hwe nsi bia e be say e be mana sign bond na e be yi na di every school ho hwe nsi after that ono no obetimi akwa akopay admission we fufuro who knows if people now our protocol baby or obi obetimi etia mana ko school baby obetimi akopay admission baby for akọ school but you when him say bia baby a wo free ba no obi ni ho a obe support wa sorry free ho all say the students me na nka me sorry me stand on na the other side me sorry free ho all together this is not the only place I obetimi atena sorry free na akopay baby for tena avoid him. He looks like he can.
Also tries to be defensive, Anka. It's
the other student. It would have been a different situation. Also, the other students, there are some comments here. Boss and Uncle Boss some comments. There were some students supporting bully now. There are some students supporting this bully. Into me, very sure Uncle. No, see, ono a junior. And can be a student, seniors. No, every dinner near. You bet. I mean, I'm hoping me at Toya so abono. Nti esa wanto nza but anka wasa on sorry fi ho on kope bi nkra ntina on kwa eche baby see this indiscipline we are talking about here, and yes school doesn't end in this at the school premises obeni we at the probably bit abanitim can he develop Ghana ni ogina ho ya ototo ni nsei about developmental idea na beba the team apart from say yenko di nkofo ewu yenko bro nkofo apart from no about developmental idea na beba
people do change yeah na fa say SHS lifestyle na agina na dream afa odu stage bia abrabo na very critical ono ankasa na obi nka nche so nsesa
yeah let's hope and pray so yes apa they are very very serious into a school authorities. It all comes down to school authorities and then parents. Charity begins at home. What I learn from my house, I will take it outside. So me feel me the dim offer them me the dim offer them what one thing. So me feel me ma make 1 na make 10. Me do one thing I make 20. Me ma me yes over punish me I'm say hey go and sit down there and I make shoe any so. I want thing so if you not trust I want thing so me yen in physical. Charity begins at home. The way you train your child and don't man confirm ubano and no more a yen and for the way the company also no be pa namsa kwala we wouldn't say ni suban enye but I mean they are just children so you just leave them just like that. Bad company corrupts good character so we need ma me catch you into check you on kwala ubano and no more nam and for ubano edo mo befie check it. Now some parents want to make what that 11 na ne ba na mabonti woni maybe kwa ne ba wo. Also your parents. Yen wish you happy Father's Day, happy Mother's Day. But you are not doing your responsibility as a parent. Simple cho. Yen we have a role to play in this. We all have a role to play in this. And with the unfortunate sexual misconduct in the empacho, no parent to come and tell me that so the teacher no and the students no or person worry na empacho we school base me worry no. E kwan wo ho. And at this time, no, na masha sent them there. Boy. And see, Pacho, and I know some concerning issues at home. Me pasa ye address it at the right time. Ye de paying for ever fear na omoni ye edisan komo we. Sanse yankwa ye dimpa enkwa chie na ye pasa ye kwa chie no. But some paying for ne kaho we know that we have them. We have their hands in the soup. Den ya ombedi. It's an only asema yo. Coastal TV morning makes you media and Augustua Oshie. And then Wednesday, the 24th of June 2026. As a June month, you are contemporary, Anna. As a contemporary. But nae. It's no morning makes you media no. Coastal TV so channel 514 and Augustua Oshie, your Facebook and yes answer live your YouTube. But answer on saka link ni bia obeche obe forward ya mankofo na obi anso ehu ne ye ewo efie ha say yan fast da ma ya boafo eye National Petroleum Authority omo say yan kanjo say stay back and stay safe and konko ben petrol tanker bia nya accident bia na nkofa to renchen bia amfa umbrella. Yes, and so fast that my detailed kitchen services or Abra Market a coffee upon cluster of stores. Or say Gianni de Obi. Nana Tennis or some so atom pastries or Anne meat pie, hood meat pie. Oh, open vegetable pie, open meat pie, open no nuts pie, so I'll be able. Or rock bands or cakes. Pacho Taste Kitchen Services. Apart from so we provide with quality jollof rice and fried rice near the no so ewo pastries I would so or the be esumo nti bo modi answer be call the taste na wakwaje wodie na asadani bi so enkoma eye Men's Hardware and Finishes opposite Cape FM or Orange House or close to Georgina's Salon. Men's Hardware and Finishes ewo na see and can't say more decorative materials or more adhesives or more paints or more TVs or more fridges or more anyone at also. It's impossible. But na ko show any so ade na hwa ade na to ade sanso na diesel gift shop awo Interbetin Junction traffic light na so I say en kan che say opa achede de am obi dia bomodi ana beje sa achede no ewo diesel gift shop na fa koma nifa foforo no na last but not the least last but one Nesto Ventures and so ewo Abra Market only Abra Market owo Abra opposite Methodist Church no ehona Nesto ewo nti bo modern akwaje home appliance na mo cap ya yegbo hwehwe TV papa wo enye TV a 1-2 na ate akọ 1-2 na ate akọ de bi eba nsa wo enjoy Ghana match no eba nsa wa kuma ete a ntiye woni jenso a NG mo modern akwaje TV papa o po TV an kase ani studio ye pempo na onsa be kan wo and other home appliances so betimi use e wo fie na hye life are very easy e dey amount Patmo Print e wo Pedu Catholic Church na ene fire service for di hwehwani no Patmo Print or Catholic Church no echi edan no echi ti bomode anse obehwehwe mo na no mo edi djuma yen fa aseda ma anopa ye team aye no mo eye ejuma na ye de aseda no ekọ ama Ben ene ejei omwo master control room ho mo chinchin menema sa so na Philip ehwe ye camera no amaye one Bright proudly supported by Bright ono so ehwe camera no so fefefe midin ade AFIBA ESSIEN mama mpacho roze
ampoma Delphina
jo na ye de aseda no ema wo so a otifie oti baby awo a wo hweye no ye de asepan se oni ye atena Coastal TV morning media so from 7 na ababeju say so mati say MCR hono so fans bi ekwoso na ne tene say Omar bin Abdallah ebo mochi dom mo support in every kind of way. I hope that the same support will go for before the scenes for aye and yes adia enya san papa e wo fia say nana me kai wo so say CNC Center for National Culture say yen kan che say bra Coastal TV has a nabejo forms for the C-Cal Marketable Skills Training Program 2026. Yesuya tribo, yesuya painting, yesuya photography, yesuya tie and dye, yesuya beadwork, yesuya dreadlocks, mpacho wedoso, bejo forms. Ewo Coastal TV. Na your registration. Na bomodian say obekwa kusuya there. For 1 month intensive there. Anopani area, green and gold. Bomodiana pajode na bejode o Coastal TV say na emmoa o aha na emre no ene nkrabia no ebema kwan ema ye de Coastal TV morning media no ye de esi sanyame adom echina Thursday adepa bi chie na e won kwa wa hoden ko ade a Coastal TV ubesanso ehunye e wo morning message so na ne tene say echina na ye wo surprise bi e de ebre ye tiefo surprise chenchirenchi surprise a che say eso se kroi nti bomodi an say echina oni e bebuki appointment na morning media no waka ye ho nyame adom echina ebisanso e de ehiem Coastal TV ye channel no A514 your Facebook and ebisanso e wo YouTube 24-hour economy no ye running e wo fiase we are running things live and colored ye fiase bomodi an say oni ye ebetina na what cup no dey you so aye celebrate enti no bomodi an say oni ye everyday share ni mo ye that
bye liwe ina ya dilmo no kakali kaya so ina ya so ma wane pe bye liwe ina ya dilmo no kakali kaya so ina ya so ma wane pe gano dende blaster so dende gano dende blaster so dende Gano dende, rasta so dende. Gano dende, rasta so dende. Yeita mubi obaba na bate the samia. Ya chaja mubi obaba na bate the samia. Yeita mubi obaba na bate the samia. Ya chaja.